Yo, what's up? February 7th, 2023. The Nethel Golf, I've been trading in and out of the garage, and now it's been out here in the rain and it's wet inside. So I just used the shop vac and sucked a good amount of water out of there. So I guess the sunroof drain is clogged. So we're messing around with that. I'm gonna try to hook the vacuum up to the sunroof drain. See if we can suck any shit out of there. So the build part of it is done. Nothing will pretty much change modification wise from here on out. Just adding cool pieces that go along with what's already going on, but modifications are pretty much done. So I'm just working on restoring this to Mk3 glory. A lot of sun fade on the roof, typical with the black. Little patina on the hood also. And I got a ton of shit I got to do to this. The CL hatch we put on there with the Nethel hex spoiler. The hatch needs to be adjusted. And the interior of this car is the roughest part. So I'm gonna work on, you can see the seat. We're gonna work on getting this up to par. Need some leather sauce on here. This is shot though. I'm gonna try to find some door cards. Get it cleaned up. You could see the jams, it's filthy. And we're bringing this out next year to a couple of the events. You guys come check it out if you're in the tri-state. did do a second round of vacuuming on the carpet in there, and I did get a decent amount of water out the second time, so that makes me happy. And then I'm going to put this away so that it's not in the rain.